Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Risk of Rain 2 with friends, only ways. Start by ensuring everyone has the same platform and game version, then pick a host who creates the lobby and enables open invite or private invites. Coordinate loadouts and character selection before launching a run, and agree on difficulty and objectives. Use in-game pinging and external voice if needed to keep teamwork tight and fun. Make sure your network is ready and everyone updates the game before trying to play together. Have the host verify NAT type and open any required ports, while guests confirm firewall rules allow the game. Ask players to pause large downloads and close bandwidth-heavy apps so lag stays low. Test a quick local lobby first to confirm everyone can join smoothly, and use a voice channel for instant troubleshooting if needed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides for you. Quick recommendation, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a solid pick. It listens to voice commands, maps your rooms, and tidies up so you spend more time playing and less time sweeping. It's a small convenience that keeps your setup ready for marathon sessions, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the lobby is assembled, the host should set the lobby privacy and invite method, then select difficulty and recommended player count for balance. Agree on revive priorities, item sharing etiquette, and who picks which survivor to prevent overlap. Keep runs focused by limiting drop-in players during a run and schedule breaks between attempts. Use the ping wheel and map signals to coordinate movements and item pickups for smoother team play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.